Hi, and thanks for your interest in overmolding. This video is a 4-minute crash course on the essentials, whether you're designing a new product or optimizing an existing molding process. Overmolding is the process of injection molding a soft material called a thermoplastic elastomer, or TPE, over a rigid plastic part, also known as a substrate. It's often associated with grips on a handle, like what you'd find on a toothbrush or power tool, but it can also be used to create a tight seal, absorb sound, or insulate a product. TPEs can be overmolded a couple of ways. Insert molding uses pre-molded inserts on conventional injection molding equipment, and multi-shot molding allows several materials to be shot during the same cycle, but it requires a specialized machine with 2 or more barrels. Although insert molding requires less investment, in many cases, better adhesion can be achieved with multi-shot molding. Let's talk more about adhesion between the TPE and the thermoplastic substrate. The chemical compatibility of the two materials is key, so if the rigid substrate is a polar thermoplastic like nylon, polycarbonate, or ABS, the TPE needs to be specially formulated to adhere to it. But don't worry, Technoapex has you covered. We have an entire portfolio of TPEs that are formulated to adhere to these resins. Speaking of TPE formulation, these are extremely versatile materials that can be designed to meet a wide range of characteristics. A TPE's hardness, surface feel, and finish are all customizable. Generally, the look and feel of the TPE is important to provide that necessary soft touch. Successful overmolding takes into account so many factors, but there are some universal tips. For example, TPE melt temperature is critical in overmolding. In general, higher melt temperatures result in better adhesion. If insert molding, also consider preheating inserts to promote adhesion. During the design phase, add a textured finish on the substrate to create more surface area for the TPE to adhere to, and use mechanical interlocks to reinforce the overmolding. When it comes to material handling, follow your material supplier's recommendations for drying, coloring, the use of regrind, and specific molding parameters. The wrong conditions can adversely affect adhesion. In terms of processing, whether insert or two-shot molding, minimize the delay time between the first and second shot in order to maintain the high temperature of the substrate. The TPE should be injected as fast as possible without warping or moving the substrate. Looking to start a new overmolding project? Having a strong technical partner with materials expertise can help. Technoapex can guide you through design, material selection, and process optimization. Thank you for listening. An expanded version of this information can be downloaded at technoapex.com/TPE-overmolding-guide. And of course, we're happy to give technical guidance if you have specific questions on a project. Talk to you soon.